Welcome to day 11. Our lesson, letter V says V. V is for van. Letter W says W. W. Wand. Letter E says E. E. Egg. Letter Y says Y. Y. Yo-yo. Letter Z says Z. Zipper. V. W. E. Y. Z. Children, it's your turn to read. E. V. Ev. Ev. E. W. E. W. L. L. E. Y. A. A. V. V. Y. Y. Ev. L. A. Ez. Ev. L. A. Ez. Eu. Ev. V. Je. Z. V. Je. Z. V. Je. V. Je. Z. V. Je. Z. V. Je. Now, children, it's your turn to read. Good job. Now, do this activity. If you're done, let's check. Letter V, van. Y, yo-yo. Z, zipper. E, egg. W, wand. V, vase. Y, yacht. Z, zebra. Good job, children.